Hello friends, it's me Alfredo. Today we're going to show you how to check the oil level on a 2007 Toyota Matrix. Okay, so come with me. Alright, first of all, obviously we need to pop up the hood. Okay. Check this out, see? It's clean. That's the way you want your engine, your engine bay to look. Alright. Now, to check your oil level in the engine, it's always gonna pop out to your eyes, because they design these things in a way that they're really simple to locate. So they're always gonna be like a yellow color, or they're gonna say engine oil, or some other thing that they might think. It depends on the manufacturer. But in this case, the oil level dipstick is gonna be this guy right here. See that yellow one right there with the handle? You can easily put your finger through, and it actually says engine oil. So to check the oil, as always, you're gonna need a napkin or something or a rack. I use a napkin because if it gets filled with oil, I can just throw it away. Okay, so you grab your dipstick and then just pull it gently. Always, put your napkin in a way that when you take it out, you don't spill oil all over your engine. There it comes, see? Nice and easy. So you clean it. And I want to show you. See the dipstick? The handle in the dipstick, it actually says engine oil. Okay? Not all the cars are the same, but most of them, are going to be really easy to identify. So, in order to check your oil level, so you see here in the blade, you got two dots right there. So this dot right here is gonna be the higher level. You don't wanna be over this way because it's gonna be that your car is gonna be overfilled with oil. Or you don't wanna be below this lower level. You want your oil to be, the perfect thing would be like right there in the middle, but you can be a little bit higher or a little bit lower, depending on your car. Sometimes if the car is leaking a little bit of oil, it's always to top it up to the highest dot. But it's up to the owner, So you put the dipstick back in all the way down until it pops in, then you pull it out. This time we're not gonna clean the blade because we wanna see the level. Alright. Now let's see if you can notice, because the oil, we just replaced the oil on this car, is really clean. You barely can see it. So the oil level is right here in the dot. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Alright, it's right here in the dot. So it's like in the highest level possible. Alright. Now we put it back in. Make sure it pops all the way in. You can notice that the dipstick actually got a small O-ring right here, because there are pressure inside the engine. There is always pressure because all the parts in movement, and so this O-ring prevents pressure from coming out from the dipstick tube, which if it doesn't have this O-ring, it could even leak oil from the dipstick tube. So just some things to be aware of. All right, friends. Now remember, once you pop the hood in your car and you lift the hood, your engine bay looks like this. That's what you want. If it looks like all dirty and stuff, please do something. Take it somewhere where they can clean it. they can, you know, stop the, you know, that way you can prevent the rust, and that way your car will last longer, and you won't be having so much trouble down the road. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe and give us some thumbs up. If you have any comments, please do leave them in the box below. I'll see you next time.